10 like I got 100 fucking toes, nigga. I forever blow, nigga. All you pussy nigga know what the fuck blaze. They talking about a murder and I don't even know nothing about it. The folks tryna watch me close, I think they know I get out my body.
New Carolina with it, man. Tell them, boy, the boy can't fuck with us, man. Oh, God, proud of my boy.
Yes, sir. Y'all time to
get the BP 735 for 50. I can't go broke this money on heads, bitch. I be the one that get it. Niggas I won't got no tie Q5, I think we did it. Up in Miami and got took down and went so whole, we did it. The feds been on our ass 3 years, shit finally caught up, didn't it? Fuck nigga, we ain't going for shit, don't look too hard, my switch and Leanin. Be that I got shot, they taking our phone, they think we did it. One thing about me for sure, if I handle that bitch, it won't leave no witness. It was me, Q5 with 4 on God, we clapped to the scene, got empty. Before I ever go for a thing, I look at the judge and say I'm guilty. Say ain't nothing die by B, okay, next box they grab a minute. When the fuck I done win that bad, ain't drop my mad bitch, nigga, I'm listening. Fuck nigga better free Q5 his head or high shit, could've been one.
I get on their ass, somebody gotta throw it. I bet niggas mad, somebody gotta throw it. I take the sheet mad.
That's Lil Coop Jr.
Turn this TV off, ain't one type activity, and don't you get involved. Hey, how many shit I smell?
Quit hiding, for the caption, boy, that shit, no accident, no hands on. You think about getting polished, fuck no rain guard, he was in jail, that's conniving. They get his face tatted like a bitch, apologizing. I'm glad D Rose came home, y'all didn't deserve him either. From a lounge down to Central, nigga, better ask me for subpoena. Any homeboy needs subpoena, that predator moving flocks.
I'm trying to FaceTime my dad because he's a UNC fan.
Hey, I know y'all haven't seen him in a minute.
Yeah, we outside. About to get deep. We in Lumberton, 710 dragway. You hear about that?
Hell yeah.
Take me up and show me the back of me.
He liked it, didn't he?
Oh my god, we got a 101 super fractor. That's a 101 right there. I think it's our auto.
Bad bitch, small waist, pretty face. Having my way, have it. She let me nut on the face. Stay in your place, set up the style.
Here, it's just a 2017 F350 Platinum. It's on a Carolina airlift on American Forces.
Say what's that pressure got up on your chest, nigga, gon' get it off. We round with fully automatics, quick to get a nigga drop. I call up 7, he quick to go and get a nigga pop. Aight, come on, I'm working flies here, trying to find me an op.
What's good?
Made it.
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Y'all deal? What the fuck? That was played. You already know. Yo,
You gotta catch me after the show.
yes, sir. You got you for real.
Alright.
Alright. like, hell, you invited me, I'm gonna invite somebody. Yeah, y'all see the motherfucking outlaw outside. Yo, boy. Yeah, y'all already know that. He told me he was gonna get it done, but like
One diamond wrist and diamond neck, keep like Jackie Chan rich. Got that money, I can flex, I got Jackie Chan bitch. Like a rubber band, man, like a rubber band.
He ride like that. He outlaw.
I wipe on with a big stick. I'm just serving straight eyes like a steak.
I already know it. Yeah, I definitely gotta show you that. This is nice. Hey bro, this shit clean. God.
No defects.
A lot of plates.
It looks like
Oh, this bitch is clean, y'all. I ain't gonna hold you. That green and that orange on the LTG. Two-tone. Oh yeah, he would. Oh! Shit.
Get on the phone with you like, I can't find Menace. He's like, he's there.
So you still thinking about going bigger?
Yeah, not much. Go 12s. I just want a solid 12.
Yeah.
That's all I want. All I wanted to do in the first place was just clear the fender. That's it. And then after we was at your house, I ain't gonna lie, that's what I wanted. This truck, if y'all don't know, when you walked up to it, you had to do that. That's the hood. And then I wanted that. That's all there is about it. I had just got off work. I went, got straight in the truck, and drove out. Got about halfway here, and looked down, and was like, man, my hood's dirty. Hey, who can see it?
everybody riding myself slow. I can't get
Say what's that pressure got up on your chest, nigga, gon' get it off. We round with fully automatics, quick to get a nigga drop. I call up 7, he quick to go and get a nigga pop. Aight, come on, I'm lurking fly as hell, tryna find me a knot. My baby mama was Brittany Renner, swear to God I beat her up. I'm pouring deuces of the walk, not no act in my cup. I got my shades on like Ray Charles, cause I'm blind to the duck. Alright, come on, we round around the hood, tryna catch us a buck. Shit, I too.
What's good, my boy? What you been up to? You already turned.
Yeah, I got my truck.
Yeah, I see you posted up.
No, I told you I was getting the stump on.
Yeah. Yeah, that shit getting old, ain't it?
Niggas think that shit's so cool, bro. What you been up to?
Nah, shit, man. Same old, trying to get these vlogs up, you know what I'm saying?
I need to slide back down there during the daytime.
You do, bro, I'm telling you.
I watch that shit was hard to say. I ain't gonna lie to you.
Good boy, real life James in the hood, you know what I'm saying? You know, posted up on the block. We're still a little bit of dog food, not too crazy, you know what I'm saying? Hey, anybody avalanche, bitch not the best, but that's a bad bitch right here, you know what I'm saying? I own them 26s. You know what I'm saying? I used to have the damn Mexican wheels on that bitch. This bitch ass. But I had to upgrade right there. In the streets, out the streets, in the way, out the way, you know what I'm saying? Nothing too crazy. You already know where we at with it, man. All the way from South Carolina, man.
Leanin,
North Carolina with it, man. Tell them, boy, the boy can't fuck with us, man.
Oh, God can't fuck with us.
Can't fuck with him, man. Subscribe to my boy shit.
Yes, sir. Y'all tap in for sure.
Word.
Alright, so y'all see this man, Dean. He finally outside. He finally outside. Yeah, big ass ELC. Right.
Oh, that's your lips.
Oh! This man is reckless. He's just about as reckless as fucking joke.
Like, that's what I'm saying. Match your lips. That's why they part hand in hand.
Yeah.
Match your lips and match your body style.
Yo. Yo. Let's go. Yo. I can name a couple niggas hating. I can name a couple niggas told it. Real street nigga, I was standing on the business. I ain't never ever thought about folding. Around with the case so big, I'm locked in. Whenever I shoot, I gotta hold it on my shoulders. High speed 12, if you get behind us, he ain't even get the tag. All you heard was the motor. Geeked up, hate being sober. I just put a deuce so the tricks in my soda. Chiefin' on the gas like Sosa. Around with a thick bad bitch, tell her roll up. You see me in the party, then I'm toting. Every time a new op died, then we go up. And we ain't going for the mean mug. And all the tough nigga, then the nigga gotta show us. Nigga gotta show us. Whoa, nigga gotta show us. Nigga gotta show us. We ain't going for the mean mug. Nigga gotta show us. On the one if you ain't already know this. Walk in the spot, bitches lose.
Boy, about that. So, Cognito uppers, these are brand spanking new, y'all. These are brand spanking new. 2-inch ball joint spacer. You see, he got the infamous middle hind. He say he's still adjusting them. Look like stock brake lines, but it is what it is. See, he got the 7 to 10 struts set at 8, maybe 9. No level stack, I don't think. Yeah, no levels. Yeah, that's pretty much it. 26 by 14 on 35s. I believe these are drop on the tire. Y'all know how we fucking ride. We only ride on the tire now. Pro comp. 6-inch pro pump. Y'all see he on the fucking tips, bro. We gonna get some rollers of this. We gonna get some rollers of this too. I don't know when. Gotta get my boy outside, you know what I'm saying? But we definitely gonna shoot some rollers of this truck here soon. Y'all stay tuned. Y'all know Carter, he outside. He's always outside. Leanin, y'all see him. They twinning a day. Good job. And these caddies flying, y'all. Y'all see him, he on the damn tire. Leanin on that one.
My brother, we stick together, no other, we blowing up,
Hey, he a little seasoned.
I need that. Alright, man, you might as well go ahead and do a review on this. Tell them what the future plans for the Suburban is.
Hydraulics.
Hydraulics. That's gonna be great.
That's where I'm going with it. I just don't trust bags. Done did it. Done blew him out. That was the first of the game. Done did that. Had it where it went up to 10 in the bag. Went to work, aired them up so I could go to Ocean Isle. Blew out in the shop. Like the whole thing though, man, it's like the whole thing that got me into this is the truck came with 20s on it and I couldn't get it to stop scrubbing, so I kept
building it.
And then I realized like it's gonna take everything because it's gonna do it regardless. But it was the tire setup because I didn't know squat.
Right.
I didn't know anything. So got those off, and then that's when I had those like super ugly black rims on it. But what I was trying to do is I was like, I'm gonna have 26s. I gotta, it's gotta be built around that.
Yeah.
So went with that, and then went wide, and then was like, oh, I gotta go higher.
Yeah.
And then now I like it, but just want a little bit more.
Yeah.
I know I got a little bit more I can play with as far as driving it and everything. So the whole thing was after I got it up, I seen your truck, I've been with shoes, and yours, Drake's. For me, clearing the fender, getting the rocker, if you can clear a rocker, I like that look.
Yeah.
Like it looks super clean, and then on the tire, that's the best part.
Yeah.
We'll say that.
What's up, fellas?
Chilling, man.
I see you always outside, bro. My mother-in-law seen you the other day at a gas station.
Where at?
I think it was like either this was Smithfield.
Yeah, Smithfield. That's right. Smithfield. Yeah, I was up there. That's where I work at.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I was like, bro.
We chilling, man.
She sees this car truck, she sends it to him.
Yeah, man, I be sliding it. I be sliding it, bro. I don't care about squad.
I know you do. You're certified for real.
My twin, he copied me. He's still a little bigger than I do.
A little bigger.
And it's on bourbon. That's crazy. Crazy.
Yeah.
It's SUV on lock right now. Be real.
You and Dean,
I think.
Being twins.
Oh God. The best duo. That'd be hard. That'd be hard.
For real.
Going? I gotta find somebody to trailer my truck. I heard Florida crazy just about lifting trucks.
Yeah, it is. Like honestly, level or not, you not safe.
You going down there?
You not safe.
What do you think I built a truck for?
You gotta find out. You gotta find.
You drive it here? Yeah. I didn't know if you trailered.
What? I'm not. I ain't rich like that.
He got it.
Yeah, Menace. That's why he the king.
Hold on. I'm not. This between y'all two.
Nah,
he got the chain.
That's the king.
Hold on.
That's the king over there. Right there, that's the king.
Nah.
You run it.
I'm watching y'all slide right now.
Yeah. We heard.
Yeah, I'm watching y'all slide right now.
Did you see the front of that thing? Yeah. Shut up.
It's mid. It's mid.
Powder. I can't even afford powder. I had a joke.
You need to quit acting like Frankenstein a joke.
Man, he inside right now.
That title got handed you for real. You can't hand it out. You got handed out. That's your title. But that's a 6.
Here
I ain't even in your class. I don't want to hear it. Serious driving.
Oh yeah, they outside of Honda. That's it. You said what?
I wasn't never on that gay ass shit. That shit gay. That shit's wanted. I would never do it.
It look like you sending something leaning right now.
Nah, this shit little.
On the tire?
Nah.
Say what's that pressure got up on your chest, nigga, gon' get it off. We round with fully automatics, quick to get a nigga drop. I call up 7, he quick to go and get a nigga pop. Aight, come on, I'm working flies here, trying to find me a knot. My baby mama was Brittany Renner, swear to God I beat her up. I'm pouring deuces of the walk, not no act in my cup. I got my shades on like Ray Charles, cause I'm blind to the duck. Alright, come on, we round around the hood, trying to catch us a buck. Shit, I too.
Nigga tried to run, he got hit with them bullets, then he fought. Shit, he fought too, he run around with them guns out of the gun. Let you fly, who the hell you run? You know we ride, you know to talk about the dreams. I really talk about these bots. Well, the type of hoes that grimy set you up, think you gon' fuck her? Hell nah, you better not trust on that bitch and don't.
4-link rear end? Yeah, it makes it basically where it's like a Tahoe rear end. Cause as of right now, if I did 3 in the drop shackles, it still wouldn't go down as much as I wanted it.
Yeah.
So if I do a 4-link, it makes it to like a Tahoe rear end, and all I'll have is bags instead of all the Chevy.
All the other
Yeah, so that should be like right here.
Yeah.
It'd be all the way down.
Yeah.
And then,
hey man, that shit came a long way.
Yeah, I put a lot of work and time into this. I want to make it a lot taller. The only thing I can think of, my keys are all the way down. If you look up under it, the keys are hanging all the way down. Yeah. So I can still turn them up. Right. But then my angles are just gonna get worse.
Yeah,
I'm trying to get off these.
What, these?
Yeah. I don't like them.
You don't like what, the way they ride or look?
Too heavy for the truck.
Bad.
I need to build. I'm gonna end up building a motor, stage 3 cam, all that. I think it's called a chupacabra or something like that.
That's what I want to do.
Stage 3 cam.
Top cover, that shit sounds crazy.
I'm gonna get that done and all the everything built. And then I got a new exhaust on the way. I'm gonna do it's all Corvette tips, Corvette fucking pipes, Mustang pipes. It's like $1,800 altogether, and it sounds just like a C7 Corvette. It's crazy. I'm gonna get that done and all this motor work. all love at the end of the day, y'all. We all just be poking fun. Gotta poke fun every once in a while.
Oh yeah.
These boys be outside.
Everybody doing their thing, you know how it is.
Sir. Y'all, bro, y'all see their line though. Yeah. I'm not even gonna lie.
Not even half of us.
This man cool. Hype shit.
I got my bags hooked up.
For real? Yeah. Okay. You see, I didn't even know you had bags.
It stops it going all the way down just a little bit.
Right.
That's why I'm not. I want it to be down.
Down on the tide.
Like how your shit was. Like that. I need it to be like that. Bag the world. We did bags on that and white. We did bags on that last night. We did 2 sets of bags, a bunch of shit. Stayed up till like 3 a.m. doing everything.
Damn.
Woke up at 8 and came here.
They bagged 2 trucks in one night.
Yeah. It's the LL way. That is the way. I got my bags. I haven't got pulled since. I haven't even been able to show a cop my bags.
Right.
They just stopped fucking with me for some reason. They be stalking my TikTok.
Bro, right when you fucking get something done, put money in.
I've been waiting. I've been trying to get pulled. I've been going through done for like the past week. Red bombing every cop I see. Red bomb going by them. They don't do nothing. I don't even know why. They just stopped. After all that shit went down with LL and all the cops that done PD, they started pulling me. I got 35 tickets.
Damn.
I got 2 pending right now for squad.
Damn. Yeah, crazy.
Well, I went.
Was this before or after the bag?
Before.
Okay.
And the other day, I had my bags. I just didn't have them set up. And I had to go to court. So I drove my truck to court, sitting on the tire. I drove it to court, and she was like, "The DA ain't gonna believe it. Continue my tickets." Now, I have 2 tickets that are past due. Yeah. That's mainly all I get pulled for. That and dogs. That's dumb, PD.
Yeah.
They ain't gonna do it
at all.
They ain't gonna stop them. We outlaws.
Exactly, bro. That's what I'm saying. Hey, I hope you slide me down too.
Oh, yeah.
With Frankenstein, we're gonna get together for sure.
My name is Dustin. You can follow me on Instagram at _DustinWeaver_. My Snapchat's Dustin_Weaver. And I got a 2008 Chevy. It's sitting on a 79 Max track. I got no blocks. Nothing in the rear, drop shackles. It's got straight pipes to some 6-inch shorties, 26x14s, and a bunch of stuff done to it.
What's your future plans for?
I want to do like some bags, maybe like a good bag setup. I don't really like them helper bags or nothing. I want to do like actual 0 to 12.
Yeah.
But we're just gonna be outlaws right now.
Yeah, for sure.
That's all we are, outlaws.
Oh God, we outlaws.
I drove like 1 hour and 40, didn't see no cops. If they pull me, oh well.
Oh well, that's what comes with it.
Exactly. One of my wheels out
Golly, chat.
Damn, 30 snowstorm.
Oh shit, what?
Over there at Walmart, I was going too fast and they didn't want to turn or brake, so I just went. I almost hit one of them yellow poles.
Damn.
I got lucky.
No body damage on the wheel?
Nah. And I have hit a car on it too. Destroyed the whole rear hatch. Oh, it didn't never do nothing to mine though.
Damn.
So I guess it was good and squatted.
Yeah.
If it wouldn't have been squatted, it'd been total.
Yeah. How long ago was that?
It's been probably about 4 or 5 months. I can show you. The only damage I got was like that little scuff right there.
Oh yeah.
And then there was like a slight little dent.
Wow.
But the whole car. I got a video on my TikTok. Y'all go follow me on TikTok _DustinWeaver_ and you can see it.
Hey, you stay safe out here. Get up with me later on.
Say what's that pressure got up on your chest, nigga, gon' get it off. We round with fully automatics, quick to get a nigga drop. I call up 7, he quick to go and get a nigga pop. Aight, come on, I'm working flies here, trying to find me a knot. My baby mama was Brittany Renner, swear to God I beat her up. I'm pouring deuces of the walk, not no act in my cup.
I still wish we would've went to VA for high class, but this is still pretty good. Like, this is a good turnout, so.
If I'm not mistaken, I think those are 32. This Jeep is nice too. Ooh, and this bike. I didn't even see this bike.
Alright.
time, and even if you haven't been racing, common sense, close your damn tailgate. You're getting beer cans and trash all over your garbage. Yeah, that's why they closed the track down for now. Can't race. I got 3 races maybe before they closed it down because the kids want to go down there with their tailgates open and got cans. That's a safety hazard. You can mess somebody's car up or you can kill somebody like that.
Yeah. That nigga out top.
The Honda's out there.
Hey, we should sponsor that. Go ahead. Let's go. Honda. Blue Honda versus red Honda.
Hellcat versus Hellcat.
Let's go. Oh, nigga, don't tempt me. Don't tempt me.
Right. Don't wreck my shit. Yeah. Oh yeah, you dusted him. He dusted him.
I mean, I guess if it worked.
Hey, that bitch right there is fast. But I ain't gonna lie, the lane did make a difference.
Second race.
The lane made a difference.
Yeah, second race he hawked it on that left lane.
Person, so it's got to be good.
Switch and drop.
That's weird. No, she's dry. No, she probably just scared like me. That shit dangerous.
Did all that. You got squatted Lincoln versus the squatted
Yeah, I think I have to.
up, boy. Golly. Y'all see Slydz. I mean, not Slydz. Y'all see Prime, bro. This is the new wall he was talking about.
Just a fuck, it ain't no trolling me. I got my brothers on that block and they control the peace. We had to chase the pussy down because he tried to.
Y'all see the cross? Y'all better see how far that
We're not gonna talk about the racetrack. We're not gonna talk about it. It happened.
At the past.
We just know we're gonna work on some shit. We got a lot of shit to work on.
This nigga Prime. Hey, y'all gotta watch this nigga Prime for real. Hey, you see that? He wanna be in the video so bad. We don't give a damn about none of that shit. Oh my god. Put that shit in the video. We don't give a damn about that shit. No, they rather see me. He's dangerous. Very. He's a YF. You don't see me throwing money on. Catch me with a bad chicken on. That shit is crazy, I don't know.
You gotta cut the traction control off.
Something.
Come on back. You might come back.
Try to hand one of us the keys, huh?
Come back. Yeah. After that race, yeah, we need the keys. Come on back. You gotta redeem yourself, gang.
Get a few more clips.
That one wheel pill.
I need one burnout. I need one burnout for this show. Tell him I'm about to follow this.
Tell him, he'll probably do it.
Oh, he did too. It's just when he let off.
Watch out.
Slydz, you don't really want to spin it, bro.
Hold on, he said, hold on, so his girl was driving, but she said she was afraid, so he said he's gonna come back. Man on chill mode tonight.
I like that.
You don't went out and had
good little dad baby.
Yeah, I gotta get this. This is tough.
Yeah, it's tough for sure.
This is probably tough as all.
That bitch fast too. This show was pretty deep. I wish I went to the VA show for our class. It was still pretty lit, you know what I'm saying? Got to chill with everybody, you know what I'm saying? It was good times, good vibes. I thought you were gonna walk that bitch. Imagine. I thought you were gonna walk that bitch. Imagine.
Posting up on the gram, get him robbed. You know what my shorty gon' do. I show little bro like 10K on the phone. He say that he ready to shoot. What up? Have gang on that car for you, even pull up. You ain't get back gang, you ain't sliding for nothing. Know the nigga off, so it's hook my cut. Let's go. Real shiesty, get that shit back in blood. I was 16, riding around with a dub. Might pull up 8 a.m. just because. Ain't come outside, nigga ain't on none. Bad bitch told her have my son. Average, no you ain't having none. Posted inside the old with my